Conditionals are something very important in programming. So here, let's go to a new one. If I go to control, so here I can show you why if-else statements are used all the time. Let's say I'm grading. If you get above a 60, then great, you passed. Otherwise, you failed. So it's just something that's so common, and you want to check if some condition is true. So let's say I'm going to do one here. If what? I want to say if, here, I'll do if the letter A is pressed on your keyboard. A. If A is pressed, then what? So it's just very common to have conditionals, and what they're doing is it's checking if this condition is true or false. If it's true, it's going to do what's in here. If you have an else, then if it's true, it will go what's in here. Else is like otherwise, it will go here. We'll just do an if. So what do I want to happen? I'm going to have a look and have say hello. So if A is pressed, then say hello. Let's put this in a loop. I'll put it in a forever loop. So constantly, forever, if an A is pressed, say hello. If A is pressed. If it's not, an A is not pressed, you're not going to say hello because it's just if it's true. So here, when the flag is pressed, just forever wait. I'm going to press the flag, and now it's waiting, just forever in a loop. But anytime the A is pressed, hello, then it says hello. Now, here, let's try something else. This is not going away. So let's try it with the if else and see what happens. Sensing. Where's when key is pressed? Let's try this. Okay, you have to get it into that little spot. If it's pressed, let's go back. Say hello. Otherwise, say bye. Maybe let's say hello for 2 seconds. All right. If it's pressed, say hello for 2 seconds. Otherwise, say bye. Let's try this. Hit the flag. Okay, it's going to say bye, but if I hit the A, now it says hello for 2 seconds. And then it should go away. Now it's back to bye, the default. Else, bye. I'm going to hit A again. I just hit A again, so it says hello. So it's in a loop forever. If A is pressed, it says hello for 2 seconds. Otherwise, it says bye. Obviously, this is not a very useful program, but it should give you a little bit of an idea of an if-else statement. And I mean, there's many things you can do with if else. You don't even have to put it in a loop, depending on what you're checking at any point, depending on what your program is trying to do. But hopefully that gives you a little bit of an overview on how if it's checking the condition. If it's true, it goes here. Otherwise, if it's false, it goes here.